Welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to see what is scheduling in Spring Boot application, how we can achieve this functionality. So scheduling is the ability to run specific tasks at a defined interval of times. Whenever we want our application to execute particular task at a specified time, like a specified interval. For example, I want my task to be executed at 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 1 second, or 10 seconds. So in that case, I will go with this scheduling. And how we can achieve this? We can mention @schedule annotation or a method which can be applied to method to specify when they should be executed. Means we can use @schedule annotation or method, and we can mention our time frame so that specific method will be get called at specified time. That is about scheduling. We will understand this with one example. So here I have created one applications. In that I have one endpoint. Let's hit this endpoint. So we will get current time, and based on this endpoint, here if you see, I have created date time formatter equal to date time formatter, and here I am specified time as per my requirement. So I am getting pattern of YYMMDDHHSS. So formatter object I have created, and formatter dot format local date time I am formatting with this. So I will mention this time in our scheduling task. So that's purpose I have created this. Let's understand further. I am hitting this endpoint current time. Here if you see, current time endpoint is there that I am hitting from my Postman's. So we will retrieve the current time from the server. So it is giving me current time. Now we will implement scheduling in our applications. So how we can do this? I have created one schedule task. So I will declare this as a component. So Spring Bean will act as this class will be act as a bean in the Spring. Then next we need to write few methods that we are going to create here. So first I will take this instance from here to here because I will use this in our main class. So here I have declared this. Then we will need to write one method that will run at specified time. So I am creating one method here. Let's create one method which will be public void schedule fixed rate time. This is the fixed rate task. And we for this task we will write yes out. And inside yes system.out fixed rate time we will get time from the formatter. So this will be fixed rate time, and we will get formatter time from formatter. Formatter is object where we have created above. Formatter dot format, and we will use local date time dot now. So it will give us local date time. So it will print our task accordingly. So we need to annotate this as a @schedule. So this is the schedule annotations which will run our task at fixed rate. So fixed rate equal to 10,000 millisecond I am giving, which is 10 seconds. So this task will be run at every 10 seconds. So next we will create a fixed delay. This is the fixed rate task, and fixed delay we will create. For that I am creating another method which will be public void schedule fixed delay. Schedule fixed delay. And then inside this method we will create we will write sysout and sysout fix delay, and we will use formatter dot format local date and time dot now. So this task will be delayed for 10 seconds. For that, we need to write annotation over this. Let's annotate at the rate schedule, and we will add a message here, fixed delay equal to 10,000 millisecond. So this task will be delay for 10,000 millisecond. So next we will write cron job scheduling. This is important because whenever we want to our application at run specified time, like second, minute, or hour, for that purpose we are going to use this method. So hide schedule task using cron expression. This mostly we use in our application cron expression, and we will print our cron expression accordingly. Cron expression, and we will formatter dot, we will use formatter dot format, and we will use local date and time dot now. So, and we need to annotate this as at the rate schedule, and we need to mention cron job scheduling for here. For example, cron equal to I am mentioning inside double quote. First, we need to mention for each 0 second I want. So I will mention 0. For each minute, I will mention star. For each hour, I will mention star. For each day, like this, you can mention this. So what is the this 5-star means? What this 5-star means? Let's understand this. So just second. First star means 0 means each 0 second it will run. For each second, first it will print at 0 second, then 1 minute, then hour, then day, then month, then year. Like this, it will print each time message means each time it will run these methods. Let's run these applications and we will see. Stop and rerun our applications. So your application is started, but this task is not scheduled, because here if you see we have written properly, but inside our at the rate employee class, we need to annotate this method as a at the rate enable scheduling. So this is important annotation for scheduling purpose. If you don't use this, you will debug your code hours and hours, but still you will not able to run your scheduler. So make sure you are writing this on your main class. Then only your application will be started. Let's rerun this application again and we will see. Our application is almost started. We will check if now here if you see fixed time delay, it's printing each time our scheduler is running. So first it will take 10 seconds of time, then fixed delay, then cron expression will execute each second, each minute, each hour, each day. It will executed one by one. So it is printing with the delay of 10 seconds. Like this, you can create scheduling your applications. Sometimes we will get confused, like we need to create endpoint. So we don't need to create any endpoint for this. Just testing purpose, we can create endpoint. Otherwise, we can write at the rate scheduler annotation or method directly. So we need to write this or method only. Whenever you have written your code, and once you have finished your writing your code, you can just mention at the rate schedule over your method level, and you can go with scheduling. Whatever time you want, you can express through this cron expression or fixed delay or fixed rate. That this is the some basics about these guys. You don't need to create endpoint. Endpoint just for the testing purpose you can create for executing your method call. That's the use of endpoint. Otherwise, you just need to mention over method level. That's it. We're done with our tasks. I hope you have gained some knowledge from these videos. If you like the content of the videos, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys.